Okay guys, for those of you stuck at home, some of you are not in school and you need something easy to cook, I'm going to show you guys how to make a real grilled cheese. First thing I'm going to do is turn in my fire and put it on 4, okay? And I know grilled cheese is so easy to make, but some people actually don't know how. Some people put the toast in the toaster, stick a piece of cheese in the middle of it after it comes out of the toaster, and then put it in a microwave to melt it. Well, that's not how I'm doing mine. So the first thing I'm going to do is butter the bread. I'm going to butter the outside of the bread. Okay, see how evenly I've got the bread spread out? Now what I'm going to do is turn it over. And then today I'm going to be using a Colby Monterey Jack marbled cheese. You can use whatever cheese you want. Cheddar, American, Swiss, mustard, Gouda, whatever cheese you want. This is the one I'm using. So I'm going to put it on the non-buttered side. Okay? And then this is a little thing that I like to do. Just to make it that little bit of extra goodness. I'm just going to sprinkle some of my Lawry's garlic salt. Just a tiny bit. Like that. Just a tiny bit. And then I'm going to pick this other bread up and I'm going to lay it down with the butter side out. So I've got my sandwich here, butter side out on both sides. My spatula. This is a spatula. And then I'm going to put it right there on the pan, which has already been heating because I turned it on. And I'm just going to wait. We're going to do this in real time so you guys can see how long it takes. I'm going to try not to overcook it or undercook it. I don't know if you can hear the butter. It's kind of sizzling. See, it wasn't ready yet. Now I've made a mess here. Oops. All you gotta do is pick it back up. Should have left it longer. The cheese hadn't even melted yet. It's good for if you like buttery, soggy toast bread, or if you want to put some cinnamon and sugar on toast. I love it when it's like that, but it's not good enough for grilled cheese. So we'll just flip it again. I flipped mine a couple of times. Sometimes I don't have to. Sometimes I get busy doing something on the other side of the kitchen and overcook my grilled cheese and have to scrape some of the black stuff off. That really upsets me. I'd honestly rather have it undercooked than overcooked. Same with my steak. Rather have it undercooked than overcooked. You can actually push down on it if you want to. That kind of flattens it out, so you can spray your pan with non-stick cooking spray, but when you butter your bread, you don't have to. So if you're trying to save calories, just use a non-stick spray. See how flat that one came out? This toast, because I was smushing it down. But the cheese just started melting. See? So now it's just about getting the toast toasted just perfectly. Because the cheese is already melted. Still not done. Still soggy. Turn my fire to halfway. Open. I just don't want to overcook bread. I hate burnt toast. Okay, see how that's starting to look brown there? That is good. It needed a little bit longer, but that's how you want it to look all over. All over your butter. Toasty brown. So I'll probably, Polo won't be quiet. He's outside. He's hungry too. Anytime I'm cooking, he wants something to eat. But anyway, you want it like that, even golden brown all over the toast. And a little bit crispy to the touch. Of course, your fingers are gonna get all buttery. Buttery. Look at that. That one's perfect. Perfect, perfect. Just gonna leave it a little bit on this other side. Scoop it out now. Always remember to turn off the stove, especially if you have a gas stove. Always remember to turn it off. Now I'm gonna get a knife and cut this in half. Got my sandwich cut in half. And take a bite of it. Mmm. It's so good. I wanted to show you what the inside looks like, but it's like closing up. I'm gonna take a bite. That garlic salt just gives it a little bit of a better flavor. So you guys try it out. Make you a grilled cheese if you get hungry. Simple and easy. Bread and cheese. You could stick a piece of ham in there and make you a hot ham and cheese if you want to also. Or a turkey. Whatever. Whatever you got. But hot sandwiches, so good. Thanks for watching.